Hello everyone, this is Box to Fashion Workshop. Today we continue working with the Chanel style jacket. I'm going to show you how to make a collar. Notice that the collar starts not from the very edge, but a bit further, for about 2 centimeters. The jacket is doubled with the polyester batting, so I think that even 2.5 centimeters would be okay. I pinned the point 2.5 centimeters and the center back. Next, I need to measure the distance between the 2 points. We're going to make a very beautiful collar. 29 centimeters. I think that 28 centimeters would be enough. This is the distance between the 2 pins, the one on the center back and the one 2.5 centimeters away from the edge. Here they are. I can move the jacket aside and start drawing a collar. I'm going to show you how to make the most simple collar. It will be perfect for this particular jacket. I'm going to show you the techniques we use in my fashion house. I think that they are the most convenient ones. You can't find them in any books or videos. Please be very attentive. I need to draw a straight line first. And then drop a perpendicular up from it. This is the center back. I'll sign it. I need to measure and mark 28 centimeters here. This distance is even to the one between the 2 pins. I also need to measure and mark 4 centimeters on the center back. Next, I need to draw a line to connect these 2 points. Do it by hand. The line should be slightly round. I'll outline the needed lines with a marker pen later. Next, I need to measure and mark about 9 centimeters on the center back up from the drawn line. After that, I need to draw a line here. This angle should be at least similar to the right one. This line should be about 12 centimeters long. Imagine there was a perpendicular here. Okay, let me draw it. This opening is about 3 centimeters wide. Next, I need to draw a line to connect these 2 points. You can draw this angle however you want. The line shouldn't be straight. It should be slightly biased. I want to make it more beautiful. When I finish drawing, I'll outline all the needed lines with a marker pen. Next, I need to measure and mark about 1.5 centimeters on this line. And about 6 centimeters here. Let me sign the marked points. 6 centimeters, 1.5 centimeter. Watch what I'm doing. The line goes this way, and further from this point, it should go up to the point 1.5. Make sure that the line is smooth and beautiful. The pattern for the collar is ready. I remind you that this line was 12 centimeters long. We raised the lower point for 1.5 centimeters. The beginning of the line should be drawn with a ruler and the end by hand. It should be slightly biased. The pattern for the collar is ready. Make sure that this angle isn't too sharp. This is very important. If you learn to make such collars, you won't have any problems. When I cut the pattern, I'll start cutting the collar. You can make this angle more or less sharp. You can actually change this angle however you want. Use your imagination. The lower part of the collar should be drawn the way I'm showing you. The upper part can be changed. It's up to you how to make it look like. When you see the color we're making for Olya, you'll decide if you want to change anything. The pattern for the collar is ready. Now you know that it doesn't take long to make it. Be very attentive. I usually add 7 mm for the seams when cutting collars. In this case, I want to add 1 cm. The Chanel style fabric is complicated, and the polyester pattern is pretty thick. Do not forget to make a notch in the center back. If you're not sure about the shape of the collar, you can make a mock-up first, decide if you like it, and then make a collar with the main fabric. Don't waste the expensive fabric you are making a jacket of. Make sure that all the details are accurate. I know for sure that they are. I'm cutting the interfacing material. I recommend you pinning the details before cutting them. I didn't do it. I wish I pinned the details before cutting. That's it. Finally, both the main fabric and the interfacing material are ready. Next, I need to cut the Chanel style fabric. Notice that I'm trying to make the checks match. It's not that important actually, but I wanted to do it. Next, I need to cut the polyester pattern. The cotton fabric, the interfacing material, the Chanel style fabric, and the polyester pattern. These are the details the collar will consist of. This is the piece of polyester pattern that I'll be cutting the collar off. I better do it this way. There is no chance that I'll be able to cut the 2 layers at once. Almost all of the needed details are ready. Next time, Natalie will tack and stitch the collar. All the needed details are ready. Next I will show you how to tag and stitch the collar. That's all for today. We're Paukšte Irina and Natalie. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.